Hi guys! Welcome sa aking channel ulit, and it's been a long time since na nag-upload ako ng video. Pero today, it's my day off and I thought na mag-say na hello and hopefully na I can get back to vlogging. I don't know. Pero yeah, for today, I just wanna start my day. It's still early. It's about siguro 9:30 na palang ng umaga. And the sun is shining and it's really a beautiful weather. So I thought na while na nagchichikahan tayo, that I would put on something on my face. And kasi kita nyo naman, I have a meron akong spot na I think ano siya, could be like an acne breakout. Malalim yung pimple. But anyways, I washed my face with this Korean soap. Ito. Cow Leon. Handmade siya and it's very very natural. It's made in Korea. Yeah, I said that. Pero this one, so I washed my face with that and then I am going to now maglagay muna ako guys ng parang lip balm because as you know, very pigmented ang aking lips. So, I'm going to use this one by Lipstick Queen. Ganyan ang itsura niya. Makita niyo, wala siyang, wala siyang color or gray ang kanyang color. Pero, when you put it on your lips, it will give you a, magbibigay siya ng subtle na pigmentation. Yeah. And it's very hydrating at saka very maganda ang feeling niya sa lips. So it's like this, pero pag ni-rub mo siya, makikita mo, or maybe not. Yeah, a little bit. I don't know if you can see. Pero yung sa heat ng lips mo, mag-change siya. As you can see now, it's turning pink. So I really love this, actually, this brand. I wanna get more. Lipstick Queen. Tapos nakalagay, girls will be boys. So both boys and girls can use it. And this is just, nakalagay, lipstick for them. So it doesn't matter your gender, you can wear it. And this is made in Canada. So, highly recommend this one. Feels really good sa lips. Moisturized siya. And then now, I'm just gonna go in with my Dr. Jart na water drop. So good for the skin too. Kasi ngayon spring na and my skin is feeling parang, alam niyo na parang nalilito siya. Hindi niya alam kung, kasi dito sa Scandinavia minsan kahit na spring na malamig pa din or hindi stable ang weather. So I'm just gonna put this all over my face, and this is such a nice lightweight na moisturizer guys. I'm actually thinking maganda siguro ito sa Pilipinas kasi hindi siya heavy. Can you see that lip tint? Ang ganda niya, no? Ano siya? Very natural tint. Parang siya yung natural na color mo sa lips. Yep. So guys, kamusta na kayo? I have been so busy just starting new job sa dito, and yeah, hindi na rin ako nakapag-update, just sobrang busy lang talaga. Kaya I decided na, hey, let's try na gumawa ng vlog for today. I promise it's not gonna be a long vlog. Just saying hello. And, oh, may nakita akong bee na dumaan. Na lumipad. Anyways, we will go on with another. Korean ito And then this one is also Korean. And this is from Herborian. And this is their CC cream. Yeah, I've just been recently introduced to Herborian and I really like their products. Korean Skin Therapy. This is High Definition Radiance Face Cream. And this is yung, I know, dalawang kulay lang ang alam ko, nude and dore. And I have it in the darker shade, of course. Broad spectrum siya, guys. So, really, really good. I probably will go out later on. So, this is a nice option for me. This will give color. So, ang ano niya, pag lumabas siya, ganyan, ano siya, white. But then, just rub it. Magtuturn siya ng, para siyang tinted moisturizer, right? So, I'm going to put that on my face right now. I always put it first sa center of my face. I don't know why. Nakasanayan na lang siguro. So, I'm just gonna rub that. And this will just like, yung days na I'm not working, I just really like to wear this kasi ano yeah. I do want some color on my face pero hindi katulad ng foundation when I'm working. Because I don't want to wear foundation every day. Wala akong mirror, guys. I'm just using the viewfinder. So, yeah, ganyan lang siya. Napaka-simple. Really, really like this one. And sasabihin ko sa inyo, guys, na the Korean products are doing so well dito sa, at least dito sa Denmark. We are introducing it so much, and their stuff are just so nice. So ayun, okay na, diba? Nagkaroon lang ng konting kulay. I will put another sun cream na lang sa aking neck para hindi masayang yung itong face product na ito. So, there you go. Napaka-simple. Hindi na rin ako makikilay because it's my day off. I'm going to just enjoy the day and probably ilalakad ko si Louie. Ganyan. What else? Yeah, just gonna enjoy the day and do the things na I can't or I don't have time to do when I'm working. So, yeah. It's so nice to just sit down and vlog again. Kahit na I think it's been 4 months or something. So, let me see. What else should we put? Should we put a little bit of blush? Yeah, let's do that. Para naman may konting kulay. Para ma-match. So, I'm going to take just yung aking favorite na brush from W7. Ayan. Mumurahin lang ito, guys. And then, I will take the blush that I'm using right now is from NARS. And this is, hindi ko lang sasabihin yung word, baka may offend ako. Alam nyo na, yung famous na blush nila. I'm using that color. So, just going to like, konti lang. Ito lang, para lang magkulay tayo. Magkaroon lang ng kulay. This is such a natural blush para sa pag brown ang skin mo. Because, hindi siya overpowering. Maglalagay lang siya ng parang you've just been out or natural flush na lang. And it has gold flecks, which is so nice for our skin tone as well. So, yeah. Lagyan na lang natin all over just to match. Ayun, guys, hindi na ako magmamascara or anything. I'll just leave it as is. So, hopefully, guys, I'm back to vlogging. Pero I'm just like also in a transition kasi almost 1 month na since my new job started, and it's yeah, it takes time na mag-transition from being unemployed into going into full-time work. So bear with me, and I hope na you will still be here for this video and the next ones. Pero for now, I wish you a good day wherever you are in the world. Oops, there was a bird. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye!